Good morning from the restoration hangar here at Intrepid Museum. We are in the process of replacing this whole nose wheel strut on our F-8K Crusader. And we've had a few challenges already. We haven't even gotten into the meat of the project, but just getting the wheel off the forks was an issue. The axle would not come out, and through the process of removing several components that were non-standard that had somehow been applied over the 70 years since this airplane started service, I discovered that some defects in the flange caused by wear and tear had expanded the metal of the flange itself, preventing it from leaving the forks. So it's just a matter of filing that off, and the piece came out and the wheel came out, and we cleared obstacle number one in getting this off the structure. In the process of removing parts that had been applied over the years, if you'll take a look down here, the forging of the nose wheel housing itself essentially just crumbled in our hands.